Hi, Sarah Banas here, Spectrum Weavers. I've got something neat for you today. This is the new July mystery box from MiVinylworld. Absolutely love the mystery boxes, so let's see what's in here. They've been kind enough to send me one to do a reveal for you guys each month. Oh, and this is an HTV box. I love the HTV ones. So I'm going to link in the description where you can get this. These are super inexpensive. Plus they have, if you're a new user, a new member, they have 10%, excuse me, not 10%, they have $10 off of 30, which is an absolutely fantastic deal. So I'll link a code for that also in the description of the video. So let's see what we have here. Skittles. Oh, there's some good ones in here. So, let's see, let's put this to the side for now. July, oh, this is the combo. Okay, so even better. This is both the HTV, so they have 3 different boxes. They have an HTV one, they have a self-adhesive one, and then they have a combo of both, and this is the combo. So, okay. Oh, this has got some good stuff. Okay, so this is absolutely beautiful. This, oh, you know, this is glitter flex. So, I've actually been really liking the glitter flex lately. I'll do something neat with this week. I have a neat idea for this. So it's got the red, the silver, and the blue. Okay, so it looks like it should have had gold and silver. So it looks like there's a little mistake on this one. No big deal. So yours would probably have gold and silver. Mine has 2. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Oh, I take that back. Look at that. The lighting in this room is bad. That is gold. Oh, that's a really pretty color gold, too. Can you see that? That's not that, like, super intense. This is, like, a nice, like, metal gold. It's not that super intense, like, old gold kind of color. This is really pretty, so that is gold. So this is the silver. I don't know if you can see the difference in the video. That's the silver, and this is the gold. Do you see that? That is really, really nice. That looks like a high-end gold color. That's beautiful. Oh, I really like that. Okay, so that's neat. Oh, that's exciting. And these ones are all the glitter flex. So that's the same brand as Thermoflex. Specialty materials. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is transfer tape. And then this is, ooh, that's pretty. That's like a blue chrome. Oh, I just ordered a bunch of this from them. Oh, I'm so glad to see this. Okay, so this, do you see that? That's like metallized, but it's also got flecks of glitter in it. And I'm so glad to see this because I just ordered a bunch of sheets of this. I ordered a bunch of colors. And I really, really like that. Oh, that's really pretty. You can see all the can you see that? All like the glitter flecks in it. Okay, so we have that, and then we have red and blue chrome, so that's really nice. So this is the Caesar Easy PSV. That's how you say that name, just so you know. If you didn't know, it's Caesar. It's not Sizer. It's not, I've seen a bunch of ways of saying it, but it's Caesar. So this is the Caesar Easy PSV, which is just a self-adhesive vinyl. Super, super pretty color. That's almost like a dark, dark periwinkle blue. That's really pretty. Again, Caesar, this is the white. Nice silver. Nice red. Ooh, look at these. You know what this would look super duper pretty on? You know, the mom bun with the, where they do the bun and the sunglasses and the hair tie. Oh, this would be beautiful on that too. that's what I'll do. I'll make a video on how to make those for you guys. How to switch out the hair tie and sunglasses for whatever you want it to be. It's pretty easy with the right SVG, so I'll make a video for you guys on how to switch out the sunglasses and the hair bow for whatever of this you want or whatever you want. So those are really nice. Okay, so one of these two has a carrier sheet, and you would cut that in reverse, upside down. You would just cut it and use it just like regular HTV. You can see that clear carrier sheet. This one does not have a carrier sheet. Yeah, that one does not have a carrier sheet. So this one, the way you would use this one is you would use this on it. This is heat transfer mask. So you would cut it not in reverse, weed it, and then transfer it with this, and then just like you would with almost with, you know, a regular self-adhesive, you transfer it. But then this is heat mask, so you just press that like you would HTV. Oh, and then these are all, okay, so these are, oh, and they actually give instructions for that also, so that's nice. This is the instructions for the pattern HTV. Okay, so that's nice. And then, ooh, that's really pretty too. So this is HTV. These three are all HTV. So what do we have here? We have, oh, and that, so that blue, I'm not sure if the blue is, one of them is called Persimmon of the Easy PSV. So this is 3 sheets of HTV, and these ones are, okay, so these are thermoflax. Oh, okay, so this is the antique silver, red, white, and blue. Okay, and these are thermoflax. So, and I gotta tell you, I've been using thermoflax lately, and I really, really like it. So, okay, so we have that. Let me bring these back up. I always say which one is my favorite. I'm gonna have to go with this one. I really, really like that. That's gonna be really pretty. Like I said, I think I'll do them. I think I'll do one of the mom buns. I don't know what else to call that image. Everyone's using them these days. It's a super cute idea, though. So yeah, so I'll do this one. I like this one best. But these are really pretty also, and I have to say that a close second is that gold. Check that out. That gold is so pretty. Can you see how sparkly that is, too? That's super duper pretty. Okay, so I mean that's it. That's this month's mystery box. The combo one. Really, really like it. Fantastic box as always. Highly recommend it. I'll link in the description, like I said, where you can get 10 off of 30. It's already very inexpensive, so the 10 off of 30 brings it down to almost nothing. I will link in the description my Facebook group. I have a bunch of very, very large, both Cricut and Silhouette groups. I'll link one of the largest Cricut and Silhouette ones. Feel free to come join us. It's a great group. Everyone's super friendly, super helpful, super knowledgeable. And that's it. I hope you have a good day. Bye.